Welcome to GrayYeon Math. We are asked to solve this problem. We have a square, a green square, and inside this square are two equilateral triangles, one of which is a red yellow triangle with an area of 12 square units and an unknown, a blue triangle of an unknown area. And we are required to find the area of the blue triangle. Okay, so for our method one is we are going to use the properties of a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay, so because if you observe from this uh, equilateral triangle, we can actually draw a line from the top apex of this yellow triangle downwards to the base. And with this we form a 30, 60, 90 triangle. This is 30 and this is 60. And we can actually label the base as half of the base to be S, and this is S. And since this is S for a 30, 60, 90 triangle, the side opposite the 30 degree angle is uh, twice, twice of that, twice of this S is the hypotenuse, so this becomes 2S. And if the side of this uh, square is given to be 2s, then this uh, vertical dimension should be also 2s. So, but this should be 2s. And of course, since it is 2s, then this can be also be divided into two parts. So this should be s and this should be s. Okay, so if this length is s, this part, then if we project a line by drawing from the apex of this blue triangle, then this is also S. And to get this distance, okay, so we just need to divide this S by square root of 3. So that gives us S over square root of 3. And again, going back from the for the yellow, so we have this S on the base, and the side, this is the side opposite the 30-degree angle. And uh, to get the side opposite the 60-degree angle, so if you have the side opposite the uh, 30-degree angle, then you just need to multiply this side s by square root of 3. So this becomes s square root of 3. Because in a 30, 60, 90 triangle, if we recall, if you have this, you have a 30, 60, 90 triangle, so this is 30, this is 60, and this is 90. Then if you have this 1, this to be 1, then this is uh, the side opposite the 30 degree is 1. The side, then the hypotenuse will be 2. This will be twice of this. So 2 times 1, so equals 2. And to get this length, so we can actually use Pythagorean theorem. So we have 2 square is equal to, uh, this becomes, let's say this is x. So x square plus 1 square. So x is equal to uh, 2 square, which is 4, minus 1. And we take the square root. So x is equal to square root of 3. So this x becomes square root of 3. So the ratio for a 30, 60, 90 triangle, if we recall, based on this diagram, we have, for the shorter leg, we have 1, is 2. Square root of 3 is to 2. Okay, so going back, so we have this yellow triangle with an area of 12 square units. So area of the yellow, let's call this as that, is equal to 1 half times the base, which is 2s for the yellow. If you focus on the yellow, 2s. And the height is s square root of 3. So if we simplify, this cancels out, and area of the yellow is equal to s square root of 3. Okay, so 12 area of the yellow is equal to s square root of 3. And with this, we have a square. We just need to divide both sides by square root of 3, square root of 3. So a square is equal to, we cancel this, so 12 square root of 3. I mean 12 over square root of 3. And we rationalize this. So by rationalizing, we need to multiply by square root of 3 over square root of 3. So therefore, we have, this becomes 3. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. So s square is equal to 4 uh, square root of 3. Okay, so next is we focus on the blue triangle, the unknown area. So we have area of the blue, let's call this as A sub B, is equal to 1 half times the base. But the base is actually, uh, half of it is s over square root of 3. So we just need to multiply that by 2. So 2 by s over square root of 3. That is the base times the height, which is this length. So that is s. And we cancel this, 2 and 2. So area of W is equal to s square over square root of 3. And s square, as we have calculated earlier, is equal to 4 square root of 3 all over square root of 3. So this cancels out. So this gives us area of the blue is equal to 4 square units. And that is our answer for our first method. Okay, so for the second method is we are going to use the area scale factor. And we need to take note of the area. So the ratio of the area. So let us write that. So for the area yellow is to area of the blue. That is the ratio of the area is equal to the ratio of the length. So let's call this as area height y, hy over hb, height of the blue. Then you need to square this. That is the formula for the area of the area scale factor. The ratio of the area is equal to the ratio of the lengths squared. So it is given that the area of the yellow is 12 and the area of the blue is, it is unknown. So let's call this area of the blue. And the height of y, the yellow, is s square root of 3. So this is it, s square root of 3. And the height of the blue is s. Okay. So this cancels out this s and s. And if we square this becomes square root of 3 square is 3. So 12 over a sub b is equal to 3. So if we cross multiply, we have area of the blue is equal to 12 over 3, or area of the blue is equal to 4 square units. Same as the answer that we got earlier. So thank you for watching until the end of the video. Please like the video if you like our solution, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you will be updated for more math videos like this. Thank you. Bye.